Welcome to 6975 Orchard Path Drive, a beautiful new home in Clemmons, North Carolina. This thoughtfully designed property features open living spaces, a cozy fireplace, a modern kitchen with a gas range, and a main-level primary suite with a spa-style bath. Upstairs, you'll find 3 additional bedrooms, a versatile loft, and a bonus room. Enjoy quiet mornings or evenings on the covered back porch, and all the comfort of smart, efficient living. Schedule your tour today. This one won't last.